Good morning, everyone. Today the sun is shining, and I just want to do a video about wastage. I hate wastage, to be honest, you understand. So my kid has, my boys have some leftover bread, and I have some leftover food, carrots, sorry, fruits. So I want to feed the bird with it, which is good. Instead of throwing the food in the bin, please, you can feed the bird with it. So what I will do now is I'm going to cut it to the size the birds are going to eat, then I'll put it outside. Now I finished cutting all the bread, so I'm going to take it outside, and hopefully the birds will come and eat it. Taking it outside now. Now, taking it outside, and I put it somewhere here, and hopefully they come and eat it. I'm back inside. I just want to sit down, chillax, and see if the birds are going to come. Let's see how long they will come. I'm still waiting for them to come. I'm still waiting. I think they will soon come. We're still waiting. They'll soon come. Yeah, now here comes the first one. Let's see. It's gone away. Now here comes another one. It took a big one and it's small. And hopefully they'll start coming now. Oh, it's flew away. Yeah, that's a big one. Here they come. Here they come. Oh, here they come. Oh my god, I love this. Literally stayed for like close to or more than 30 minutes just to get this moment. I just love feeding the birds, to be honest. Come on, guys. Here they come. Here they come. I told you guys. Here they come. Here they come. Oh my god. Lads, come on. It's enough for everyone. Come on, guys. This is so, so cool. Oh my god. Loads of them now. Loads of them now. Love this. They're done with it. Oh, look at that white and black. Look at that white and black. Yeah. Is this a crow as well? They chase him off. Yeah, that's the dawn. Oh, the little one. Oh. Whoa. This big ones. Oh, look at that. This is like a white and black, is it? I like that white and black one. But what are they scared of? Like, please, guys, don't waste food. Don't pour them in the bin. You can see what I'm doing. Honestly, that's the best way of doing it. Just give it to the birds instead of just throwing it in the bin. See, they're all happy, like, and I am happy as well because I know the food it's not in the bin. It's being fed to the birds. We finished it. So lads, I hope you like this video, and I'll do more again. Thank you guys. Bye. It's finished. We finished it. Yeah. Lads, even when I said bye, I thought they finished, and I think they're still eating. They're eating the carrots and the green pepper I put there. Oh my god, that's a lot of them. Well, I think I have to stop this video now, and thank you very much, lads. I hope you enjoyed the video.